We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more unclear words in English. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce it both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally said as ghettos. You do want to stress on the first syllable, ghettos. In American English, however, it is normally said as ghettos, ghettos in American English versus ghettos in British English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.